Hello from the Security Technology Roadshow of Novo. We are here in Athens, and with me is Mr. Ermanno Antonelli. He's the head of Wavesight for the Southern Europe. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
So, wireless networks are an integral part of any surveillance system because the information must go quickly and safely to its destination. Tell us more about the products and solutions that Wavesight promotes here in this roadshow, and also about your partnership with Novo in Greece.
Yes. Well, first of all, just a few words about Wavesight. Wavesight is a British company. They are specialized in all sorts of electronic development in aeronautical and defense field. And their product, especially the wireless product, became after this kind of development experiences. In the video surveillance, there is one major problem, which is when you transfer data over the network, you don't want to lose information. Especially if it's a video, you can lose evidence, or you can lose frames that are important, like, for example, if you're reading a license plate. So generically, standard wireless solutions, they have problems because in the way they're handling the packet loss and the retransmission of information. And the key point for Wavesight is exactly this. We have a technology with very low latency that allows to have a transmission with the less latency possible. It's around 1 millisecond, and that allows not to lose any packet during transmission. So we have a sophisticated way of handling the data transmission, and that allows us to have a secure and consistent data flow. And with Novo, we are working together on a lot of projects, also for critical infrastructures, where the technology of Wavesight is for sure very important. And we can say that with the technology from Wavesight, we can solve problems that with traditional wireless is not possible.
Do you believe we are in the doorstep of the 5G era? Do you think the 5G will have a big impact on how security solutions work?
That's a difficult question to answer. 5G is promising to deliver a lot of bandwidth and make it more accessible for a lot of applications, security included. With 5G, for security, I see a lot of problems because you will have restrictions from the providers and you will not have a network control like you have with a dedicated data transmission. So I think that for security it's probably not the best solution. For maybe a residential application or that are not critical, yes, it might be a good solution, but for business solution, definitely not at the initial stages. I heard that they are working on some business implementation of 5G, which means using different networks, private networks that are not the one used by general consumers. But it's too early to see.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.